How to listen to music offline on eSound. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you through on how we can listen to music offline on eSound. So let's go into the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, launch your eSound application on your device. After that, you may just head over to the music that you want to add offline to. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this song by this artist right now, this one right here, and this appears on my screen. It may take a second for it to load up here. First of all, it needs to be online in order for us to download it. After that is done, you can see I have played this music here. So in order to download it, you may just directly add it onto your playlist, or what you can do is, first of all, you may just like the music. So you're just gonna like this music. You can see the heart icon beside the name of the music. Just heart it, and after that is done, you can see it is being downloaded here. So the download is complete. After the green circle complete, the download is complete. You may just add it to your playlist if you want. You can tap on the three dot. You can find this option called add to playlist if you want. Otherwise, you can see remove from offline available. Otherwise, you can see this option called remove from offline is available, which means the offline music has been already added, which means the music has been already added to offline. So you may just follow this process in order to download the music, following the steps using the eSound application. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.